Now on to a story that's making headlines in the blogosphere, social media websites, and major news outlets. A Minnesota astronomer says there are actually 13 zodiac signs, not the 12 that many know by heart.
The new sign is called Ophiuchus, which is a serpent bearer. News Channel 15's Lisa Edge joins us live with more on where this extra constellation came from. Lisa?
Well, Tim and Allison, like many people, I was not happy to find out that my sign apparently changed. It's hard for me to accept the fact that I may no longer be a Gemini and a Taurus instead, because this is a discussion happening everywhere, including our newsroom. We sought answers from two experts in the field. From Capricorn to Sagittarius, knowing someone's sign is believed to be a window into one's personality. Sister Laura, a Christian psychic, says she bases her readings on a person's zodiac sign.
A Scorpio is a person that you cannot do anything right in their eyes. They're going to try to mold you, change you, especially in a love relationship.
But what happens when a 13th sign called Ophiuchus is thrown into the mix? For one, plenty of rejection shown here in Facebook posts concerning the change. Even clients of Miss Laura called her with concerns.
And one of them wanted to know if he was still a Cancer. And I said, well, of course. He said, well, that's a load off my mind.
Astronomy professor Dr. Louis Rubo says it's not news to him.
It was kind of funny. A lot of my colleagues came to me through Facebook and said, what are you doing to me? You're changing my sign.
So where did this extra sign come from? Rubo says it's always been there. But in 1930, astronomers made an official boundary and realized Ophiuchus covered a larger area than originally thought.
And it's actually quite large. And if you look at the new dates, I believe it's Scorpius is down to almost 6 or 7 days.
Yes.
Right? It's no longer a month long. It's actually a very short sign.
I don't agree that if you're a Libra now you're a Virgo. You are the sign you're born under. That doesn't change.
Astronomers consider the signs constellations that are behind the sun that you can't see, and because the Earth axis shifts or wobbles over time, Ophiuchus now has a bigger presence, whereas astrology is based on the seasonal equinoxes. Now, ultimately, it's up to you what you want to believe. You can side with astronomers or astrologers. Tim?
All right, I guess I'll stay a Cancer. Thanks a lot, Lisa. Astronomers say the 13th sign may not have been included by astrologers because 12 is a sacred number.